Guys, so I want to make this video. I want to show you guys my 3 stocks that I gave to all of my members earlier in the week. And these 3 stocks are one of my top ones that we're going to be holding the entire month of March. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all 3 of these. Let's go ahead and start off with Coca-Cola. Now, everybody knows that I like to trade ICHIMOKU Cloud. I preach ICHIMOKU Cloud. I teach this to all the members of my academy, and I'm going to show you guys why. So I was talking about the price coming down to the Kumo, looking at a double bottom here. I told all my members, I posted this chart to everybody, we are going to buy come market open. Here comes market open. Look at that. Now we're sitting up about 40 cents, 50, 60 cents or so per share on this, and our take profit is going to be up around $47 per share. This is going to be a good trade on Coca-Cola. Nice conservative trade. Now we're looking at Goldman Sachs stock. So Goldman Sachs sitting at weekly support right here. This is pretty much a support and 9-day trade. Let's go ahead and play. Nice. So Goldman Sachs sitting at previously before we went and bought 256, now sitting at 263, almost $10 per share up there. Depending on your trade, on your lot size, you're making about $100 or $1,000 on that trade just in one day. Let's go ahead and look at Johnson & Johnson. Notice how I'm looking at these trades based off the weekly. I'm looking to take these trades long term. I don't do anything that gets in and out of the market. That's not how I trade. So Johnson & Johnson stock, the reason why we decided to buy this is because we were looking at a support level right here all the way back since 2017, January, February, March supports, March price structure. And there we go. Sitting at 129, now we're sitting at about 130. We're sitting about only 35 cents per into this trade, but we're looking to take it all the way up to about 143 or so. This is going to be a great trade. If you guys want to learn how to trade ICHIMOKU clouds, if you guys want to learn how to trade in general, like swing trading with me, let me know. I'm going to drop down in the comments section below the link to my free trading chat room, my Instagram, and a bunch of other stuff as well as my website. Right now it's $500 off my lifetime package. Take care, guys.